Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I wanted to share this week's hashtag Deck the Year altered playing cards hosted by, well, it's hashtag Deck the Year, and it is to alter playing cards or any kind of cards like flashcards or not bingo cards, but Uno cards, whatever you have. And you alter a card a week. So by the end of the year, you'll have 52 artist trading cards. And I kind of wanted to do this, not kind of. I wanted to do this because I wanted to challenge myself and do something every week, and I wanted to sit down and create something small. So I have my cards so far in this little box, and these are my first one. Here's my second card. There's my third card. And I'm just keeping it in this box. Let me see, which one is this one? Here's my fourth card. And then you saw this card last week where I used paint. So this week I was inspired by my cards that I made a couple weeks ago. Busted out my watercolors, and that's what I did with this card. So this card, I kind of kept it fairly simple, not that many layers. I want to see the playing card peeking out. I treated the card by sanding it down. Then I used some watercolors from my watercolor palette, some pinks and some purples. And then I stamped it with my stamp that I've showed you once before. I inked the edges with, my distress inks. I added some lace. These little felt hearts are from Target years ago. And then this is new that I got from Hobby Lobby, and it fits perfectly on here. It does add a little bit of dimension, but I like it nonetheless. And then I added some glitterific. Oh, let me share. Oh, I think it was this one. What color is this? I can't see. Well, it's that color. It's really just like a glitter with iridescent flakes in it, and I really like how that turned out. And that's all I did. I just watercolored the background, and I just love how it turned out. It took it really well. I think if I, add water to it, it would reactivate it. But other than that, it looks like it's there. It's pretty cool. So this is my playing card for February 8th, 2024. And I just bought this stamp. Okay, here's a little story. I could not find my other stamps, and I just found them sitting on my desk. Well, it was kind of covered with my scraps of paper. So I have this Ranger, I don't know what they're called, but I got this at Tuesday morning for cheap. And anyway, I couldn't find my stamps. Here they are. You know, my Heidi Swap stamps and We Are Memory Keeper stamps. So one of them only goes up to 2022. This one goes up to 2024. And then this one, oh yeah, that one goes up to 2022. This one goes up to 4, 6. I think it only goes up to 2026. But this one that I got at Staples, this one goes up to 2028. Yeah, 2028. But it has so many others like received, answered. What is this one says? Envelope, maybe? Here's paid. I like that. Oh, PM, AM right here. Oh my gosh, it is so cool. I got this at Staples and I ordered it and I had it delivered. It was only $3.99 free shipping. It was crazy. I was like, oh my God. But I love how it stamps out. And I just stamp it on regular cardstock, ink the edges, and I glued it to the back of my card. Let me show you the other cards. I used what was it? I used oh my gosh, it was a planner set that I have in my stash. And I used to keep a planner with stickers and I decorated it and, and that burned me out. so so I used that for all my cards for January, and I think February was the first one that I just stamped right on it, February 1st. So I figured I better keep that nice, and I stamped it on some cardstock and then add it to my card. So that is my card for Deck the Year. So I want to thank everybody for watching, commenting. Thanks to my new subscribers. Oh my gosh. And I so appreciate each and every one of you. My longtime subscribers, love you guys. And yeah, so I'm on week 6. Oh my gosh, I am just so proud of myself. I'm keeping up with this challenge. This is a challenge. Believe me, it is a challenge keeping up. So let's see how far I go. I don't know if I'll make it to 52. I hope I will. And yeah, so thanks, Penny, for allowing me to join in. I hope I'm inspiring other people, just like how everyone always inspires me. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.